Hi guys, welcome back to the Lady M Beauty channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. It's your girl, Lady M here, and today we are getting into the September Luxe Box from Boxycharm. I will be unboxing my box with you guys today, letting you know what I have in this amazing September Luxe Box. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what's all in my September Luxe Box from Boxycharm, then you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, so I have my September box here. This is a Luxe box that we are about to dive into today. Now, as per the usual, all the information about Boxycharm will be listed in the description box. So if you're interested in seeing the prices, all of the deets, then be sure to check it out in the description box below. Now, I'll also be sure to include what the total value of my box is, and all the contents that I received in my box will also be listed in the description box down below. So without any further ado, let's open up this box and see what's in my September Luxe box. Now, I don't have my little opener thingy here, so I don't want to break a nail. So let me see what I got here that I can use to, got it. Okay, so got that opened. So let's open up the box. And then, ooh, it's orange. There we have the box, the contents, and let me open it up. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive in. I have my nice little sheet here that will let me know what all is in my box. So the Luxe box comes out, I think, 3 times per year. So this is the September box, and then I think the next one will be December, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products in this box, and the value of this box will be listed on the screen. So yeah, so let me see what I got in this box. I think some of this I was able to pick myself, if I am not mistaken. I'm just like trying to look real quick to see what all I got. Okay, so let's see. The first thing that I want to grab is I have a Pat McGrath eyeshadow. So Pat McGrath and Boxycharm. Okay, Boxycharm, I see you. I cannot grab it. So this is the Dolls eyeshadow, and this one is in the shade Burnish Honey. So of course, if you've never had a Pat McGrath product before, her products are always bedazzled with these little glitter thingies on the inside. Trying to get it so you guys can see. There we have it. So this shade is called Burnish Honey. Yes, I'm excited for this. So the cult classic creme de la creme of Mother's iconic shadows, now starring solo and seductive singles in a tantalizing array of textures and hues. This retails for $25, and this is definitely new to Boxycharm. So I'm so excited. I love I love Pat McGrath. That's like Black-owned brand. So I'm here for it, and I'm here for her being part of the Boxycharm box. So that is amazing. Excited for that. And the next thing that I'm going to grab is another Black-owned brand. Okay, Boxycharm coming through, representing. This is LYS Beauty. And so included in this box is Think Bright Glow and Hydrate Serum with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So LYS is a gluten-free, vegan, cruelty-free, amazing brand. I have a lot of their other products. So if you've never tried anything LYS, I highly recommend that you do. They are available in Sephora, or you can shop their website directly. So this is instantly awaken dull, uneven skin with this weightless radiance boosting serum that's sure to brighten and quench your skin's thirst, infused with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This face serum is the secret to supple, youthful looking skin, and this retails for $28 as well. So yeah, vitamin C. Let me see anything else that's on here that is worth knowing. So this is the ingredient-rich dual-action face serum that's fortified with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid to deliver next-level glow. I want to open it up so you can see this packaging, honey. This is LYS. Packaging on 10, okay? Love. I'm excited to try this. I don't have this product, but I have like their highlighters, their blushes, the bronzer, the foundation. I have brushes. Yes, I am here for LYS. So very happy to see them part of the Boxycharm. I don't think this is their first time being in Boxycharm. So that's interesting. So what's the next thing that's right here that I can grab? So this is, what is this? Oh, Cat Berkey. Never heard of that before. So this is a Nutrient C eye cream. What is this? This retails for $90. $90 for this. Okay. A rich, nourishing eye cream with vitamin C specifically designed for the delicate eye area. This instant reviver is made with a combination of Radiance enhancers, Stay C, a stable form of vitamin C. It brightens the eye area. Grapeseed and primrose oil deliver antioxidant protection, and vitamin E and caffeine help to nourish and depuff. Cat's proprietary nutrient-dense KB5 complex, rich in antioxidants, is added to defend against environmental damage. So the website for this is Cat Berk Skincare. So let me open this so I can see the packaging. I don't know if there's a date on here. Okay, so this is what this looks like. Regular silver top. It has green writing and like this iridescent white packaging. So yeah, this is probably like a pump. Okay, interesting. All right, and the next thing we have is Queen Studio. Queeve, I don't know. Queeve, I don't know. Veen, QVEN Studio. This is Partners in Crime Lip Liner Duo. Indulge your inner bad bleep. The rich, buttery formula of this lip liner delivers a high pigment payoff that seals in moisture for comfortable long wear. This retails for $18. Oh, so it's just 2 lip liners? Why is there a black lip liner? Oh, no. Oh, how neat. The color is literally the color right there. I don't think this will work on my skin, so yeah. So it's like a dark brown and like a red color. Oh, there's the colors on the box. So you can see it has the red, and then it has like that dark brown color. Nice. Initially I thought this was like, I know it's not called Kat Von D anymore, KVD, whatever it's called. Initially that's what I thought, because it kind of gives me that kind of vibe with the packaging. Like, that's what it reminds me of. All right, the next thing I have in here, another lip product. This seems like it's a like heavy makeup product, more so than skincare. I have like the 2 skincare products so far. Okay, so this is Make. Never heard of this either. This is a serum balm. This is a hydrating lip treatment. So this serum lip product provides instant hydration while softening, smoothing, and plumping. Formulated with a natural lip volumizing ingredient derived from biomolecules extracted from pomegranate flowers along with liquefied jojoba wax. This lip conditioning treatment adds luxurious, long-lasting shine and cushion. Okay, this one is a new brand to Boxycharm. It's called Make Beauty Official. Okay, and this retails for $26. Oh, this does have a color to it. So the box on the unicarton, it has like this, like a fuchsia kind of pink color. That's what's on the box. And then it has like this gold and black packaging with white writing, and it says Make on the box. So I'm assuming that's the color. So I don't really want to open it because that color ain't gonna work for me. So, oh yeah. There it is. I'll put it on my hands. Oh, it's like clear. Okay. All right. Well then, Make Beauty Official. That I can't turn my wrist. It kind of hurt my wrist. So that's the color right there. If you could see it, kind of has like a nice, may work actually. Okay. Nice. All right, and then the next thing that I have in here is something from Beauty Bio. So this is Beauty Bio Bright Eyes Depuffing and Eye Gels. This retails for $28. This is also new to Boxy. So this is Stay in Place Cooling Eye Gels, help depuff, brighten, and fill in the appearance of fine lines to rescue the delicate under eye skin from the effects of stress, sleepless nights, and red eye flights. Just the thought of that makes me think this is the perfect thing to wear on flights, honey. So 97% felt under eye puffiness. It was instantly reduced. It has collagen and aloe. So typical Beauty Bio packaging. And then on the back, it just kind of shows like how the product worked, I guess. Hold, please. There we go. That's what it shows. Okay. Beauty Bio, I'm here for some of that. Woo. So this is literally like in every Boxycharm box that I have received. So this is the Spongel Honey Blossom Soap Buffer. The beloved honey blossom fragrance adorned in a charming gift box marries warm honey with the blooming lavender for a heavenly bathing experience. The iconic fluffy bath sponge and body polishing exfoliator coalescence with our silky honey for a signature favorite amongst Spongel enthusiasts. Now I have so many of these, and every time I say that I'm gonna try, but when I mean it, I'm really gonna try because I've heard that this is a pretty good product. This smells so good. So this is what it looks like. Just this like spongy thingy. So yeah. Benefits: it's a body wash and buffer. It's dermatologist tested. It cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and it massages the skin. Like that's just like sounds like everything you need when you take a shower, right? And that retails for $18. So that is another one. I think I have like 3 or 4 of them at this point. So I'm definitely gonna test it out. And then the last thing in my box is an eyeshadow palette. And this one is from Natasha Denona. All right, Natasha Denona is like in a whole bunch of Boxycharms now. So this is her Zendo palette. And honestly, I don't own this. It's probably one of the only, not the only, but this is one of the palettes that I did not purchase when it came out. So it's in this nice, I don't know, like bronzy kind of packaging. So very nice, Natasha Denona package. So let me just take a look at the colors in this. Oh yeah, I don't think I have this. I never bought this. So this is one of her like colorful palettes. So there you have all of the colors. Nice. So you got your greens, you have like this nice row of greens, you have your corals, you have like your brown tones, This is like those red tones. I keep smelling that spongel spongel thing. This palette retails for $69. So that is pretty much everything in my box. And I have to say, this Luxe box is giving. I am here for the Black owned brands in this. Okay, Pat McGrath, okay, LYS. Then I have a full-size eyeshadow palette, and then everything else was pretty much like intro products, but still pretty good products that, you know, is worth trying. So I have to say I'm pleasantly pleased with this Luxe box from Boxycharm. So okay, Boxycharm, I'm here for it. Yes, thanks for giving me a good Luxe box here in September. So let me know in the comments, guys, what you think about my box. Did you get any of these in your box? Do you get the Luxe box, or do you only get the base box? Is it worth it? What you thought? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Let's talk about it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you aren't subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Would love to have you part of the Lady M fam. And until next time, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Bye.